Introducing the WSIS Stocktaking Repository of Women in Technology. In line with the WSIS Forum special track on ICTs and gender mainstreaming, which is dedicated to the issues of bridging the gender divide, women empowerment, and promoting an equality perspective through the use of ICTs, a comprehensive platform has been proposed to help you search for and connect with women tech experts covering different areas of expertise, all in one place.
With this repository, we provide an organized model to identify those women who are making a difference in the ICT ecosystem worldwide.
The submissions to the repository will have a search function and be aligned to the WSIS action lines and SDGs.
WSIS Forum is striving for a 50-50 gender balanced participation, and this new activity will contribute to its objective and serve as a vehicle for dialogue between exceptional women and men committed to gender equality.
We invite you to join and promote this repository and help us actively break the silos and connect with women in various sectors of ICT. Access the WSIS Stocktaking Repository of Women in Technology. Identify and connect with experts to bridge the gender divide on speaking panels at your events, workshops, trainings, and other activities. Share your thoughts with us on social media using the hashtag WSIS.